How to turn on hidden number on Truecaller app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you turn on hidden number on Truecaller app. Unfortunately, you cannot directly turn on hidden number on Truecaller app, as Truecaller cannot identify or display hidden number. If a number is hidden, it will appear as unknown and cannot be identified by the app itself. However, you could choose to block any unknown or private number that appears on your phone through the Truecaller's blocking settings. In order to try this alternative method, what you need to do is click the initials from the top left hand side corner. Or you want to go to block section, and then you could see there is this section as hidden numbers. Under it there is block any number that is shown as unknown or private. Just toggle the button and then you should be able to fix it. So this is how you could turn on hidden number on Truecaller. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.